Are you tired of eating dry chicken breasts? Can you never figure out the right amount of time to put your chicken in? Well, in this video, we are gonna cover these, and we're gonna fix them. It's gonna be great. Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Cooking with Cork, happening every Friday. I am your host, Corey Dorsa, and today we are cooking oven roasted chicken breast. I know this seems a little simple, but we are bringing it back to the basics. We are gonna show you how to never eat another dry chicken breast ever again in your life. Let's get to cooking. And we are back. So the first thing we're gonna need to do is take our chicken out of the bag and put it into another bag. I like to use gallon ziplocs for this. It allows the chicken to move around. Later on, you're gonna be shaking it up. Now that we got the chicken in the bag, we'll add olive oil to the bag and we will seal it and get all of the air out of the Ziploc and get ready for the next step. Now that we have successfully hand chopped the chicken breast, we will get a roller or a bottle of wine to pound the chicken breast lightly and try to just even it out so the chicken breast will cook evenly when it's in the oven. Next, we'll put your seasoning of choice. I like the McCormick's roasted garlic, and the fun begins. We shake it up. We want to make sure that it gets to each and every side, so you want to make sure you're flipping your chicken breast and make sure it's just evenly coated. Then you need to find a little space for your chicken and put it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. While your chicken's in the fridge, we'll go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. After about 15 or 20 minutes, we will put our chicken breast on the baking pan with aluminum foil for ease of use, and we'll throw it in the oven. We will put the chicken breast in for 15 minutes. Once that 15 is done, we will go ahead and flip it and put it back in the oven for an additional 12 minutes. All right, once we have finished cooking at 15 minutes on one side, flipping that over, and 12 minutes on the other side, we gotta let it rest for another 5 minutes. And now, we wait 5 minutes. And when it's done, check the internal temperature. It could be around 155 to 160 as the chicken will heat up a little bit more just sitting out. But it needs to absolutely be at 165 to make sure you're not poisoning all of your friends and family and loved ones. Now, some of the thicker breasts will require a couple more minutes. That's why it's always very important to have a meat thermometer so you can see it. And if you need to put it in for a couple extra minutes, I would suggest doing it 2 or 3 minutes at a time. Don't blast it for another 10 minutes. That is definitely gonna dry out your chicken. So just, you know, a couple minutes here, a couple minutes there, and check on it once again. All right, let's cut into this bad boy. Voila. Let's cut into this bad boy. As you can see, this is a perfectly cooked, moist, delicious chicken breast. Give me a little piece of this. I'm very happy with that. I just want to thank everybody so much for watching another episode of Cooking with Cork. It was my pleasure cooking with you. If y'all have any recipe suggestions, anything that y'all would like to see, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what you like about these videos. Let me know what you don't like. I know some of them, like I have voiceovers and I'm a big hot mess. And I just want y'all to know it's just how I am in real life. You know, I try to make this as authentic as possible. This is me awkwardly standing in front of a camera, trying to have a good time and to entertain you so you have a good time and we can have a good time together. I love doing these videos. Please stop by every Friday, Cooking with Cork, coming at you, jabronis. Jabronis. Bet you haven't heard that one in a long time. This is good. You are good. And thanks for stopping by, Cooking with Cork. Cook you next time. Yeah? So let's get on this broomstick and fly away.